Hey, it's Neil from Toronto Condos here. I wanted to let you know that Transit City 4 is launching tomorrow. This is a very highly anticipated condo launch. The developer Center Court Developments developed Transit City 1, 2, and 3 a couple of years ago when it launched. It was the quickest sellout recorded in Toronto's history. It was 1,700 units that sold out in under 6 weeks. So Transit City 4 is highly anticipated. There's going to be a lot of demand for this particular project. We at Toronto Condos are very fortunate to have first access to pricing and the best unit selection. We've got a close relationship with Center Court Developments, the developer. So we're getting first access, and the project is launching tomorrow. So if you're interested in this project, or if you're interested in reserving a unit, floor plans and pricing is going to be released tomorrow. So simply just respond to this email with the words Transit City 4 in the subject line or in the body of the email, and I'll get you all the next steps in order to reserve a unit. But I do want to let you know that this project is going to be extremely popular. So if you are interested in getting a unit, it's very important to follow the instructions that we're providing and to follow through quickly, because time is of the essence in order to get all your information back into us so that we can reserve you a unit with the developer. That's it for me. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out via this email. You can respond back. And once again, all the details are being released tomorrow. And if you're interested, just reply to this email with the words Transit City 4 in the subject title or in the body of the email, and we'll get you the floor plans and pricing as well as the sales procedures. Okay, bye for now.